Do you know that in the 16th century, celery was used as a medicine? In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience with drinking celery juice for 7 days. Many people have done this in the past and they have shared lots of testimonies, and I would like to know if it's a hype or not. But celery is very, very medicinal and it's healthy for the body. And I can't wait to share with you my experience, so stick around because mine is unique and you want to know about it. Celery is a low-carb, low-calorie crunchy vegetable that has many benefits. Consuming celery stalks, celery rib or celery leaves is extremely good for you. And celery is good for weight loss. And speaking of weight loss, my weight loss book is ready. And I'm so excited because it's not just anyhow cookbook, it's a weight loss cookbook. And speaking of, being overweight or struggling with weight, I used to be one of those, and it's healthy eating that has helped me to lose the weight and maintain the weight. The link is in the description, in the pinned comment. Its main goal is to support your weight loss journey, and I hope you would like it. Healthy eating is what has helped me to lose weight, and that's what I'm sharing, which is why in this video we talk about celery, the health benefit of celery, and also celery lowers your blood pressure. So first thing, I went on celery shopping at Walmart. I got myself enough celery that would last for 1 week, and I tried to select the good ones, the ones that are looking very nice, and I got myself a lot that will last me for a week. Also, if you don't have a juicer, I did this with blender and it's very easy. In fact, it might be more easier to do with blender than juicer, and it gives you the same result. So to do this, you have to follow the 3 rules. Number 1, it has to be organic. No pesticide being spread on it, so that it will do the job very well. And number 2, it has to be 16 ounce. You have to take 16 ounces of celery juice on the start of your day. That should be the first thing. And number 3, it has to be on an empty stomach. So that should be the first thing you take before you have your meal. And this was how day 1 went. So in the course of this video, I'm going to share the benefits of celery. Celery promotes good liver health and helps manage diabetes. Celery is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help to strengthen your immunity and fight diseases. Celery reduces inflammation, supports digestion, prevents cancer, and improves memory. So to get the celery juice, just add water to the celery and blend, and then use a cheesecloth to squeeze it out, and there you have it. This is it. The first juice. I've heard that it doesn't taste very well, but let me give it a try. Honestly, it doesn't taste like anything. It tastes like celery. I do a lot of fruits and vegetables, so I don't have any problem with eating foods as medicine. Have you ever wondered why medicine are very bitter? Because bitter things are always the best, so I like it. Here is the fiber. I hope you don't throw yours away because I use mine. I add it to my food and I enjoy it, and this is what keeps you fuller. Please don't throw yours away. Enjoying the video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. So my experience on day 1 was that after having the drink, I have uncomfortable feeling throughout the day, but I didn't use the bathroom. I felt that celery just did what it was supposed to do. To some people, it makes them poop a lot, but for me, I usually do cleansing regularly, so I was good. And another one was that because I did not use the bathroom, it makes me to be gassy. I pass gas a lot, and also it gives me a lot of energy, and it made me feel full. I didn't have so much craving. So moving on to day 2, I did prepare my celery. It's day 2 and let's have a drink. What I observed yesterday was that after drinking it, I started feeling, something going on in my tummy, but I did not use the bathroom because I just completed 3 days of fruit fast. Keep in mind that celery is rich in various antioxidants that possess anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. So it's healthy in so many ways, especially when you add it to your food. So on day 2, I added it to my rice and it makes it to be very rich, and this fiber keeps you very full and curb your appetite. On day 3, I was just wondering what is going on. Why is it not working? I was just like, maybe I'm doing something different. Maybe I put in too much water. Also, I had to cut the celery first before washing it so that I can get all the dirt out. Day 3. So what I decided to do differently is that I reduced the water that I use in blending the celery since I don't have a juicer. And I don't know if you notice, the juice has become greener today. Maybe a little bit. Here we go. So the reason was that, like I said, I wanted to try this to see if it's a hype or not. I've not really experienced something extraordinary because, like I said, I had done 3 days fruit fast prior to this, so I'm good. I don't really need much cleansing, but each time I drink it, I normally have this comfortable feeling. But one thing I noticed is that it helps curb appetite. You don't eat much, which in turn helps you to lose weight. So this also helps in weight loss as well. So here we go. Good morning. It's day 4 and the kids just left for school. So let's get into making the celery juice. Day 4. So today I decided to drink it with straw. A lot of people say it makes it easier, but doesn't make any difference to me. After this, I'm gonna do my exercise. So I continued drinking my celery. After that, I did my workout. And celery gives you a lot of energy, so I was full of energy doing my workouts, and I did a workout before eating, so the celery filled up my tummy and that gave me energy to do the workout. Celery is rich in vitamins and minerals with a low glycemic index. Celery can help lower cholesterol. Today is day 5 and I'm beginning to see the benefits of celery juice, and like I said, I don't really see a lot of it because I think I'm good. I do cleansing very often, but one thing I noticed that is very consistent is that whenever I drink it, my tummy just starts getting busy. So I added the celery to my smoothie. In a way, it turns out to be like slushy, and I really enjoyed it. So I did not throw anything away. I enjoyed it, and that is the part, the fiber that keeps you full, because celery is high in fiber and nutrients and low in calories. It's full of potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants. Celery is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, folate, and calcium. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 6 and day 5 was fantastic. I mean, it was so different and I was just like, okay, I think celery juice is used to me and I'm used to drinking it, and here we go, day 6. What I experienced on day 5 was that I didn't feel anything. I said that I've been having this consistent feeling of discomfort throughout the day, but day 5 I felt absolutely good. No discomfort, no feeling of using the bathroom, and I was just like, oh, okay, this is different. So that was very different, and you know, I don't really like feeling as if I'm sick, which whenever I drink celery juice, it makes me feel uncomfortable. But day 5 was fantastic. So, cheers to day 6. Researchers say that celery is a diuretic and nutrient-rich plant that has many uses in traditional medicine. So, celery is very, very healthy. In fact, celery is a medicinal plant that can be used as a natural remedy because of its level of antioxidants. Day 7. That was good. I'm beginning to love celery juice and celery itself. Before, I didn't used to eat it raw, but now I can eat it raw, and my daughter too. Oh my gosh, she loves eating it as snack. I'm still wondering how she enjoys it, but she loves it so well, and which is good because it is very healthy. Day 6 was very good. I didn't feel nothing throughout the day. I mean, like I said, I've gotten used to it. Also, another benefit of celery is that it reduces inflammation, it supports digestion, and it also helps to improve skin health. I mean, this is my face, no makeup, and I don't know if it's celery, but celery helps to give you younger looking skin, so natural remedy is always the best. And this experience was very, very rewarding. I mean, if I can do it every day, I, would be glad to, but number one, it was a little bit expensive because you have to make sure you have it every time and it's not cheap. And also, number two, I didn't really, see the power of it because I do cleansing every day. This will work for those who eat a lot of junk food. This will cleanse your body. So it is necessary that we do this once in a while. If you are heavy on eating out, eating, junk foods, but for me, I didn't really need it. So I love this experience and I am now in love with celery. Before, I didn't used to like the taste, but I like it. It's healthy, it's medicinal. The benefits alone, I mean, I love it. And I don't eat food because of the sweetness. I eat food because of it is healthy for me. So I don't know about you. For me, I love to eat food as medicine, not medicine as food. And since celery is a medicinal plant, please, I would encourage you to try this out and let me know your experience. I enjoy eating celery. I eat it in different ways. I do it into smoothie and also into soups, and I have the video in my description, and I'm also gonna put it at the end of this video, so check it out. It has also helped me to lose weight. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.